Tribunal by GSC Infantry Philippine Army, the Chief Special Service AFP for his welcome remarks.
At the outset, allow me to greet the following personalities. Of course, our Commissioner John Patrick C. Gregorio of the Philippine Sports Commission, ably represented by Commissioner Matthew Fritz P. Gaston, Philippine Sports Commission. To General Romeo S. Browner Jr., Philippine Army, our Chief of Staff, ably represented today by Commodore Sosimo M. Bolaños Jr., Philippine Navy. I'd like also to greet Colonel Paul Anthony Guerrero, the Acting Commander of the GSQ and HSC. Sir. And of course, Major Marlo Rich T. Laxarom, Chaplain Service, our Ambassador to Heaven. And ASN Joanny T. Delgado, Philippine Navy, of the rowing national team in the 2024 Paris Olympics. Of course, we also have our service representatives, representing Lieutenant General Arthur M. Cordura, Philippine Air Force. The CGV PAF is Brigadier General Genaro C. Menor, Philippine Air Force, my classmate. For the Philippine Army, representing General Nafarete is Major General Efren F. Morados, Philippine Army, the Vice Commander. Representing the Flag Officer in Command, Vice Admiral Jose Maria Ambrosio Q. Espeleta, Philippine Navy, is Captain Hernani D.C. Llanes, Philippine Navy, GSC. Representing the Chief PNP, Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio C. Nartates Jr. is my company mate, his classmate, Police Lieutenant General Bernard M. Banak. Representing the Philippine Coast Guard, representing Admiral Ronnie Hill Gavan, is Commodore Cristofoel M. Meñado, Philippine Coast Guard. For the Bureau of Fire Protection, representing the Fire Director Jesus P. Fernandez, is Fire Chief Superintendent Belinda B. Ochave. Representing Jail Director Ruel S. Rivera is Jail Chief Superintendent Maria Ani A. Espinosa. Representing Undersecretary Gregorio P.O.P. Katapang Jr. of the Bureau of Corrections is Correction Chief Superintendent Celso S. Bravo. Representing Customs Commissioner Ariel F. Nepomuceno is Special Police Area Supervisor Jerry M. Arizabal. Representing the Chairman of the Metro Manila Development Authority, Romando S. Artes, is Undersecretary Procopio G. Lipana. Representing the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, Undersecretary Isagani R. Neres, is Director 3, Imiterio M. Bitong. Sir. Representing the National Bureau of Investigation, representing Judge Jaime B. Santiago, is Mr. Paterno S. Morales, Regional Director. Sir, hindi ko na sinabing General, sir, ha? Representing the Bureau of Immigration, representing Attorney Joel Antonio Enviado, is Mr. Eric T. Galvez. Mukhang naghahabol pa ng nakatakas. To all the special service officers, let me mention the Group Commander for Air Force Special Service, Colonel Archibald S. Magbanwa, Philippine Air Force. The Director for the Directorate for Community and Special Services, Philippine Navy, Commander Jojit C. Siscar, Philippine Navy. The Director for Special Service Center, Headquarters Service Group, Philippine Army, Lieutenant Colonel Rowena D. Batayola. The Chief Special Service Unit, Headquarters Service Support, Philippine National Police, Police Major Carmelo C. Velasco, Philippine National Police. The Commander, Coast Guard Special Service Office, Philippine Coast Guard, Captain Jonathan S. Cerote. The Director for the Directorate for Human Resource and Development, Jail Ship Superintendent Maria Ani A. Espinosa. The Officer in Charge, Special Service Unit, Bureau of Corrections, Chief Superintendent Michael M. Martin. The Officer Forensic Investigation, National Bureau of Investigation, Dr. Froilan O. Nunez. The Director and Chief PIO PIDEA, Director Rafael P. Gabales. Special Police Area Supervisor sa Bureau of Customs, Colonel Edgar C. Paule, retired. And last but not the least, the Director for Administrative Service, MMDA, Director Merchol E. S. Guerra. A pleasant day to each and everyone. In behalf of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, it is with great pride and honor that I warmly welcome you to the opening ceremony of the Philippine Uniformed Services Sports League 2025. This event would not have been possible without the invaluable support of the Philippine Sports Commission, led by the sports icon himself, Chairman John Patrick C. Gregorio. We also take pride in welcoming the new participants who now complete our uniformed services family: the National Bureau of Investigation, the Metro Manila Development Authority, the Bureau of Customs, the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, of course the Bureau of Immigration, though they are absent today, and a bonus is the National Intelligence Coordinating Agency, who will field the players in the golf tournament. Amidst the suspension of work and because of the typhoons, rain or shine, we visited the different agencies in order to encourage them to support and join this league. The journey was arduous, as it was hazardous, but we've persevered. And today, this is the fruition of the hard work and dedication of the men and women of the armed forces, and of course, our unit, the Special Service AFP. This league is more than just a competition. It is a platform to showcase the exceptional skills, strength, and the resilience of the uniformed personnel of the different law enforcement agencies of our country. More importantly, it highlights the unifying power of sports, a platform for national unity. It is a dream come true to see all the members of the uniformed services standing side by side in unity and solidarity, proving that united we stand. And at the same time, this league provides an important venue and avenue to discover and develop potential national athletes who may one day carry our flag in the prestigious sporting events, both here and abroad. In summary, I once again want to welcome each and everyone to today's ceremony, the opening of the Philippine Uniform Services Sports League 2025. Let us play with passion, compete with integrity, and aspire with excellence. Thank you and good luck to all the participating teams.
Thank you, sir. At this juncture, let us all witness the entrance of the Philippine Uniform Services Sports League colors.
Approaching the grandstand is the Philippine Uniform Services Sports League colors, which embodies the spirit of unity and camaraderie among the uniform personnel of the AFP, PNP, PCG, BFP, BJMP, Bucor, NBI, PIDEA, BOC, and MMGA. The olive leaves represent peace, unity, and victory, while the torch signifies enlightenment, passion, and leadership. Together, they highlight the League's mission to foster camaraderie, friendly competitions, and excellence among the uniformed services. This symbolism reflects the commitment to peace, discipline, and personal growth through sports, uniting participants under the ideals of cooperation and honor.
At this point, may we now request Commodore Zosimo M. Bolaños Jr., Philippine Navy, the Assistant Deputy Chief of Staff for Personnel AJ1, sir, to be assisted by Commissioner Matthew P. Gaston, the representative of the Chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, together with the heads of delegation from the different participating teams from the AFP, PNP, PCG, BFP, BJMP, Bucor, NBI, PIDEA, BOC, and MMDA for the hoisting of the Philippine Uniform Services Sports League colors. On the count of three, you may now raise the Philippine Uniform Services Sports League colors in 3, 2, 1!
Thank you, ma'am and sirs. You may now proceed to your respective seat.
As we proceed, we request all the heads of delegation and their respective muses for the hoisting of their respective banners.
From the Bureau of Customs, Head of Delegation Special Police Area Supervisor Jerry M. Arizabal, Chief Customs Police Divisions, Espace Bureau of Customs, Colonel Edgar C. Paule, retired, and their muse, Ms. Danielle Jaris Torres Aquies.
From the National Bureau of Investigation, we have the Head of Delegation Mr. Paterno Morales, Regional Director, National Bureau of Investigation. Officer
Masyadong malayo kayo na, sir, hindi natin makita. Kaya mas maganda pala pag close up. May mic? Mic? Bigyan ng mic. Can I request one? Pakibigay lang sa kanila. One by one.
Introduce mami ng sarili. Sir, mag-introduce lang ng sarili.
Yeah, sa
Anong dala nilang...
anong unit sila?
Anong dala mo?
Sino mauna?
Hello, hello. 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 Hello.
Go na po? Go na ba?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Engineer Angel Joyce Parawan representing Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Giselle Gregorio, representing PIDEA. Good afternoon, everyone. Mary Jane D. Macalas, representing National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. Innovating Government Service. My name is Danielle Cherise Hiokias, and I am the representative of Bureau of Customs. Let me hear it! Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mayan Weber, and Sublime. To represent the BJMP. Good afternoon, sirs and madam. I am Patrol Woman Janina Jaira Herrera Longalong, representing Philippine National Police. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Patrol Woman Sana Rose Luna, proudly represents Philippine National Police. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lara Graziela de Erlan, representing the Bureau of Corrections. Let's go, Bucor!
Thank you very much to the lovely muses. Can you turn around so we can have a photo opportunity with the fine gentleman in front? Can you just turn around so we can have some photo opportunity?
Sir, atras kayo dito. Sir? Sir? Join, sir, for photo op, sir.
Back konti, back kayo konti. Back a little, back lang konti, back lang po, back, para po. Tatangkad eh, walang makita sa mga bisita.
etunes.lk.
Now I will read the message of our Chief of Staff, and I quote, "We live in times when challenges beset our communities. Natural disasters, internal threats, and the ever-shifting demands placed upon our uniformed services. But in every crisis, I have seen the best of you rise as defenders of our country and as symbols of hope, strength, and steadiness. Likewise, sports, in their essence, do much the same, forging resilience, cultivating trust, and building character. As I have often said, integrity is our lifeblood. Without it, trust crumbles. The trust between units, between commanders and soldiers, and between the uniformed services and the very people we are sworn to protect. And so, in this league, let integrity guide every move. Compete honorably, win humbly, and lose graciously. Every match is more than a scorecard on a board. It reflects our discipline, our loyalty, and our commitment to the nation. To our athletes, let this be your proving ground for physical strength and for leadership. When fatigue sets in, when challenges arise, when the game seems stuck against you, choose resilience, choose respect, choose the values we stand for. In doing so, you build trust, you inspire others, and you set an example worthy of your uniform. To our guests, families, and supporters, your presence today affirms that the service is never isolated. We serve a nation that watches, believes, and expects. Your support strengthens our bonds and inspires us to strive harder. For this year's edition, we welcome 5 new members of our Philippine Uniformed Service Sports League. Namely, palakpakan po natin isa-isa, from the Bureau of Immigration, the Bureau of Customs, the Metro Manila Development Authority,